Hello and good morning, or good afternoon, whenever you watch this. Today, we're going to learn about West African culture, and specifically, we're going to learn about West African music. All right, so should be an interesting lesson. I hope we made a few connections to our current world. So if we move on to the next slide, this is a slide just explaining the importance of music in West African culture. So it's talking about how it's always been important. And then I am asking you to contrast and compare how music in West Africa is similar to music in America today in 2020. So at the very bottom of this slide, you'll see right here, I'm asking you just to type one sentence or so, your response. All right, just let me know exactly how music plays a role in our culture today after you read how it plays a role in West Africa's culture. Now, slide 3, as you can tell, I'm recording this on my balcony. All right, so slide 3 is the important one here because this has directions for the whole assignment, and you're going to do more than you need to unless you read this carefully. So this says for the next 3 slides, choose one on which you would like to focus. So there are 3 slides total. You only need to read one, but you are going to read and answer the question for the slide of your choosing, so you get to choose. And if you would like to earn a higher grade, right here it says students who complete more than one slide will earn a higher grade. So the first slide, and you get to figure out which one you would like to do. First one focuses on call and response, so that's when someone in a song is saying something and then a group of people respond or say another thing kind of back to that person. So we have a little reading about that and a question, and there is a song by the hip-hop group A Tribe Called Quest down there at the bottom because this song uses call and response. Next slide, we have drumming and musical instruments. So if you are a musician, maybe you think that that would be something you'd like to focus on because it tells you a little bit about the musical instruments that West Africans used in their songs. And lastly, we have dance. So this is our last slide, and it's all about how dancing was incorporated into West African music and what cultural importance dancing played in music. You never really had music without dancing. Similarly, you never dance without music, right? So this slide is asking what's the importance of dance in West African music. And then you all must complete slide number 7. So you get to choose between call and response, drumming and musical instruments, and dance. You just choose one of those, but everyone must complete the last slide, where this is you find one song or dance of your choice, and then you write a short paragraph, that's just 3 to 5 sentences, explaining how that song or dance incorporates West African music. So, it can be a song from modern day, if you would like, but you need to incorporate how that song uses dance, drumming or musical instruments, or call and response in your work so that I know that you have read this and you're making that connection. And then lastly, for your journal assignment today, we are asking that you tell us how music shapes our culture. Music definitely shaped West Africa's culture, which you will know a little bit more after this lesson. So today, just tell me how it shapes our culture, why it's important to you today. That's all I got for you today. Good luck with the assignment. Let me know if you have any questions.